What's the meaning of advertise? Advertise. 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 Advertise means to promote or publicize a product, service, or idea to potential customers or the general public. It involves creating and disseminating messages through various media channels to influence individuals or groups to take a specific action, such as purchasing a product or supporting a cause. The ultimate goal of advertising is to increase brand recognition, drive sales, and ultimately achieve a return on investment for the advertiser. Effective advertising can lead to increased revenue and profits for businesses, expanded reach for nonprofits, and greater awareness and understanding of important social issues.